Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do topic 59A of paper 2, that is package of practice of horticultural crops. So we'll deal some important horticultural crops that are very important. So there are many crops. I think we will be dealing around 18-20 crops. So we will divide it in various subparts, that is topic 59A, B, C, D and so on. So first of all, we will discuss the package of practice of mango. Package of practice of mango. So the major varieties of mango are Neelam, Alfonso, etc. These are Neelam, Alfonso. These are major varieties. Climate and soil. It grows very well in tropical climate. In alluvial to sandy loam soils. Alluvial to sandy loam soils. Intercultivation. What happens? Suppose it is a mango orchard. These two are trees, but there are so many remaining space between them, so you can grow crops there. So intercropping with vegetables. So we can intercultivation with low vegetables, low growing field crops. Papaya in young orchard. We can also grow papaya when the orchard is young, because the mango tree is not so much tall and their canopy is not dense. We can also normally grow ginger. We can normally grow ginger, turmeric. So this is intercultivation. Now moving on to transplantation. Grafting in nursery and then plant in orchard. First of all, what we do, we graft mango plants in nursery. After grafting, we plant them in orchard. After grafting, we plant them in orchard. Fruit drop. Fruit drop. At P stage of development, due to deficiency of moisture, at P stage of development, so there is due to deficiency of moisture, there is less moisture, deficiency of moisture, or you can say fertilizer, or hormonal imbalance. We can see fruit drop in mangoes. So its management is very simple. We just need to spray either 2,4-D, or we can also spray Na. So spraying these two can prevent fruit drop. Now moving on. Now what are the post-harvest technology of mango? Post-harvest technology of mango, or we can say how we can increase which kind of mango is more in export. So first of all, how we can do, due to post-harvest we can increase export of mango, its business, its income from mango. So the first post-harvest management is grading. First post-harvest management is grading. So we can grade mangoes as per size, weight, color and quality. So we can grade like this. Category 1, that is around 200 to 250 gram. Category 2 fruits, that is around 250 gram to 300 gram. Category 3, 300 gram to 350 gram, and so on. Number second is very important, that is packaging. We need to package in layers with a straw padding in between. We need to package in layers with a straw padding in between. Temperature should be 19 to 21 degrees Celsius during ripening to improve quality of fruits. Temperature should be around 19 to 21 degrees Celsius during ripening. This will improve the qualities of mangoes. We can use wooden boxes. Use wooden boxes. Example, CISH box of Lucknow. Example, CISH of Lucknow developed CFB boxes. So you can use these CFB boxes developed by CISH Lucknow. Now moving on to another post-harvest management technique, that is storage. Storage. We need to store it at room temperature 4 to 10 days for mature green mangoes. If the mango is mature green, then we need to store it for 4 to 10 days in a room temperature. For export, harvested fruits are pre-cooled to 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. If you are exporting mango, so harvested fruits are pre-cooled. Suppose we have harvested mango, so they are pre-cooled to around 10 to 12 degrees Celsius, so their shelf life increases. There should be controlled atmosphere, that is CO2 should be around 3 to 4%, and O2 around, and oxygen should be around 4 to 5% in the air in the room. Now transport. We need to handle boxes carefully, place them intact in storage vehicles. We should handle carefully, because any kind of injury to mango can decrease its rate. We can use cold chain to maintain temperature in boxes. So this was about mangoes. Now we are moving to papaya. Papaya. It is an important fruit of tropical and subtropical regions in India. Important fruit of subtropical and tropical regions in the world. Gives quicker return in about a year. It can give you a quicker return. India ranks 4th among papaya producers in the world, and rank of India is 4th. India ranks 4th in papaya production. So one thing was asked in previous years, that is sex expression in papaya. So it becomes very important, and we will be discussing it here. Sex expression in papaya. Papaya is a polygamous plant with various sex forms. It is a polygamous plant. That is, some plant would be male, some plant would be female. Polygamous plant with various sex forms. The three sex forms commonly found are those are pistillate, that is having pistil, hermaphrodite, that is having both male and female, and staminate, that is with having stamen. So sorry, I am suffering from little bit fever today, so sorry for this. So pistillate is a form of stable and sex reversal is not affected by environmental factors. So here pistillate is stable, very stable form, and here the sex reversal is not affected by environmental factors. According to Story is a scientist, 1958, he was a scientist in 1958. Three basic forms which stimulate pistillate and endochromensis. According to it, there was three forms: pistillate, staminate, and instead of hermaphrodite, he used the word andromonaceous. So he also described the three forms, but instead of hermaphrodite, he used the word andromonaceous. Let me rub it, a little bit of it. Here, the staminate and andromonaceous plant may be either phenotypically stable, so staminate and andromonaceous may be either phenotypically stable, may be phenotypically stable, or ambivalent going to seasonal sex reversals, or ambivalent going to seasonal sex reversals, which they produce varying proportions of staminate, perfect, and pistillate flowers. Which they produce varying proportions of staminate, perfect, and pistillate flowers. Staminate, perfect, and pistillate flowers. So they may be phenotypically stable or ambivalent going to seasonal sex reversals, and they produce varying proportion of staminate flowers, perfect flowers, and pistillate flowers. This was about staminate and andromonaceous. As there is andromonaceous, so it can produce pistillate also. So this was sex expression of papaya. Now moving on to next crop, that is Sarpagandha. Sarpagandha, its botanical name is Rauwolfia serpentia. Rauwolfia serpentina. It is commonly found in Asian and Southeast Asian nations. Commonly found in Asian and Southeast Asian nations. In India, it is majorly found in states of Himachal, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now, what are its medicinal usage? It is very much a medicinal plant, so you must know what its medicinal usage are. First of all, it lowers blood pressure. lowers blood pressure, lowers BP by dilation of blood vessels. Decrease heart rate, it enhances in decreasing heart rate. It lowers stress. So this way it helps in decreasing blood pressure. It is used for psychotic disorders. It reduces anxiety, insomnia, reduces anxiety, insomnia. What is insomnia? That is, we are not able to sleep properly. Sleeplessness, insomnia, epilepsy, etc. So these are some psychiatric disorders where we can see use of sarpagandha. It is also very helpful in intestinal disorders. Intestinal disorders. It treats diarrhea and dysentery. Treats diarrhea and dysentery. It also is very helpful in prostate cancer. So as prostate cancer is a slow growing cancer, so there it can be helpful. It has shown anti-cancer activity in experiments. Sarpagandha has shown anti-cancer properties in many experiments. It increases immunity, and we all know in this COVID-19 pandemic how immunity was important for us. So it also increases immunity. Now we will move into production technology of sarpagandha. Production take of sarpagandha. First one is nursery raising and planting. We can nursery raise and plant it through root cutting, through stem cutting, through root stumps, and the root stumps should be taken above 5 cm of roots, above 5 cm above roots, above 5 cm of roots, intact with portion of stem about collar, and while cutting we should know that the stem is intact up to collar. And lastly we can grow it using seeds. Here the important is root stumps, you should know it. Now moving on, what are the nutrients we used in the production of sarpagandha? Nutrients. So here we should produce sarpagandha without any use of chemical fertilizers. We should not use chemical while producing sarpagandha, and the major nutrient giving things are farmyard manure, vermicompost. We can do green manuring, or we can provide them with green manure, etc. These things will enhance their production. Instead of using chemical fertilizers, we should use these things. Now pest and disease management. For pest and disease management, we can use neem kernel, neem seeds, or neem leaves, etc. So using neem as a disease retardant and pest retardant can be very useful. We can also use here dhatura, cow urine. Spraying of cow urine is very important. We can irrigate through cow urine sometimes. These things are also used. So we can see the production of Sarpagantha is very eco-friendly. We are not using any chemicals, not using any pesticides, etc. Now irrigation of Sarpagantha. We need to irrigate it 15 to 16 irrigations are required in 20 days interval in its lifetime. So every 20 days interval we will produce one, we will give them one irrigation, and we will give them up to 15 to 16 irrigations, and this is for rain-fed areas. The maximum area of India is rain-fed, so 15 to 16 irrigations in 20 days can be helpful. So this was about production technology of Sarpagantha. Hope you understand today's topics. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, please press the like button. Do share and subscribe. Keep making notes. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.